forge your own knife? I have to pay to work? Whoa, this is so heavy. Someone's saying they're from Temu. They're not from Temu. See, now you made him angry, guys. Have you ever made a pizza in the oven? Why is he not turning it off, guys? Should I be concerned?
My favorite.
Ex-favorite knife. There's a knight statue here. Ooh, it's a blacksmith. Forge your own knife? Do you want to become a blacksmith in 2 hours? I don't want to forge my own knife. I have to pay to work. Guys, I was just given a sword. Whoa, this is so heavy. Are you a master blacksmith?
Not a master, but I'm a blacksmith. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's so cool. Can I come inside and take a look?
Yeah, so we're doing locksmith stuff, blacksmith stuff, casted stuff. Here are the swords. Different types of them, like 1.5, 2 halves.
What does it mean, 1.5?
You can use one hand on this, but also you can add another one
okay.
when you need a little bit more power. This one is kind of too big, and I'm always scratching the floor with this one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's too long.
Oh wow, look at this, Jed. He's balancing the sword. Perfect balance. Wait, have you ever made a samurai sword?
Coronavirus!
It's just people trolling, don't worry. Someone is asking if you have a Viking sword.
We have Viking's axes.
Is it very heavy? Oh no, it's not, guys. I could use one of these.
A lot of people want to have a really nice souvenir from Prague, and also like
Right,
it's
yeah.
Gothic city, and something like this would be like wow, also like the price
Yeah,
is
of
affordable,
course.
but it doesn't fit in the luggage. So that's
Yeah.
why we provide the shipping also. These are the bells. They made by the Karel Leopold. They are handmade, and like these and these, they are similar, made by the one hand, by the same material.
Yeah.
This one and
Oh
they sound
wow. Yeah.
different because you can't make two similar stuff by the hand.
Wait, so you guys have made all of this that you see here?
We are doing blacksmithing, like my team, me, Marian, Lubomir, Velibor. We are doing this like half. And this one, it's a casted. My specialty is roses. This week I have made 21 of those roses.
That's really nice. I like the small one.
This one is unique. It's I made only 2 of these color, and it's really smooth. You can touch the flower here.
Oh yeah, it's very smooth.
Yeah, you can touch the flower.
Yeah, wow. Super smooth, guys. Oh, they have the mini ones too. I didn't see these. Oh, these are also very smooth. Someone's saying they're from Temu. They're not from Temu. It's the real deal. See, now you made him angry, guys. See, he's getting serious, guys. It's actually melting. Wow. How long have you been a blacksmith?
Blacksmith since I was 16, so it was 12 years working with metal since I was 11.
I suppose you enjoy it then. It's almost ready.
When you smash a metal, the metal wants to go away from the hammer. So it wants to go like down, but here's the anvil. And that's why it wants to go like left, right, front, back. Back, it doesn't go because there is a material. So it goes left, right, front. These 3 sides, like when you smash it, it will be like a pancake. So you turn it and smash to the other side. Left and right becomes top and bottom. When you smash it, you make the stuff longer, deforming the material, making it in the shape that we need. It's hot somewhere like 700, 800 degrees, and that's not a lot.
Let's take one rose like this. How long does it take you to make one of those?
I'm not doing one at a time, but if I have to, it will be something like 2.5 hours.
That's very fast, actually. They're asking if you have a Twitch channel.
No, I don't have.
You can live stream this. People love this. People are loving this because it's such an interesting thing that you don't get to see every day. So it's, I think people like this. Convince him, guys. Convince him.
This oven, it works on the propane. Here the oxygen, they are mixing together inside, and that's how you can get somewhere between like 1,000 degrees inside. For the steel, that might be enough. It doesn't let your metal to burn Because if you use a coil, coil is cheaper, coil is better.
Yeah.
It does, but it makes a little bit too hot. So for something smaller, you don't have to use coil.
Someone asked, have you ever made a pizza in the oven?
No, too short.
Hey, you can make mini pizza.
Like, this is an art, but also it takes a lot of energy every day
Right,
to
of
smash
course.
like this.
Yeah.
So I'm eating a lot. I'm burning calories at the
Right.
moment. Like I do not go to the gym because it's already like all the time just
Yeah.
pumping up.
But you must
So-
be very strong, right? You have very strong arms. Can I touch your arm? Oh, wow. This is iron. It's made out of iron.
like this.
Oh, like this? Oh, I see. Okay. There. Oh, it's a leaf, guys. Guys, I think I ruined the leaf. Oh, he's gonna cut it, I think. How long do you think it takes to learn to be a blacksmith? Let's say basic level.
Couple of months.
Oh, really? Maybe I should become a blacksmith.
We have a lessons.
Oh, wow, no way.
Steel is a hard material. Doesn't want to be somehow deformed. But as soon as it gets warmer,
Yeah.
it becomes like not so naughty. Just listening to your orders.
I cannot believe they found this guy. That's our leaf. Why is he not turning it off, guys? Should I be concerned? I think the leaf is melting.
Остальное миксы красный. So now.
Oh, he's gonna polish it? Oh, cooling it down.
Still a little bit hot, so do not touch it with the fingers. Show how it looks like right
Wait,
now.
look at this, chat. So it looks
Yeah,
like all
and,
black and
after cleaning?
boring. Look at the oven, guys. The oven is still... It's glowing. It's crazy.
This is how it's cleaned.
Wow, that looks
you can
nice
see
and
it.
shiny.
Here in the center, the scratches, it's that you have put on there.
Oh, nice.
And we need our secret.
Oh, secret weapons.
After the cleaning, when you get a little bit hotter,
Yeah.
the metal began to change its color, but we need to wax it. So it will be protected against the rust. Why I'm saying that's a secret recipe, because even I don't know the recipe.
Oh, really?
Our master, he has made it, family recipe,
Yeah.
and he is not sharing it with us.
So how old is this workshop then?
In this year, it will be 9 years. The firm itself is doing 33 years.
Oh, wow.
My master, he is a son of a blacksmith, and his father was a son of a blacksmith.
Oh, some
and His uncle
generations.
is a blacksmith, and the bells, that's exactly from his uncle.
Oh, okay.
This. Yeah, we gotta wait a little bit till it will be
Yeah.
not so hot and also dry. The wax to be hardened, so it will make a protected surface on the
So
leaf.
crazy. I've never seen a blacksmith in action. Thank you for showing us this.
No problem.
You could still bake a pizza in that oven right now.
Yeah, and also 2000 or 1000 degrees, it's too much for a pizza. I think.
Blacksmith eats black pizza, so it makes sense.
Yeah, cold pizza.
So this is the company Instagram.
Yeah.
Hephaestus.
Hephaestus, it's the name of a Greek god of a forge, from which Blacksmith Workshop, Prometheus stole the fire, and he gave this fire to the people. It's the legend of how the humankind gets the life itself.
Wait, so you guys do workshops to learn to blacksmith, and you can make your own knife and everything. So can you tell us more about the workshops? Like, when are they? How much are they? What do you do? What do you need?
We provide them here in Prague. The view from this workshop, it's a national museum. We provide the lessons. You can make your own horseshoe. You can make your own bottle opener, little snake. You can make Perun's axe.
How long does the workshop take, for you to be able to make something?
It depends on how fast do you learn. If you make a knife, usually 3-4 hours will be looking like this. So from the same piece, the handle made by your own size, it will be much more useful for you. Blade itself, also which curve, which length do you need, and the sharpness, of course, also depends on you. Something like this. Like a kunai. These knives, we do not make them on the courses, but it's our favorite knife. My favorite knife.
Ex-favorite knife.
And the kitchen knife, of course. This one is a max steel, which give us really hard blade that you can do something like this.
Oh wow, that's insane.
Just imagine how will cut the tomatoes and other stuff.
Yeah, of course.
Like the type of steel with which you can go to the forest and chop woods with this one. Also, we do candles, and this is a candle holder, which I really like because it's an impossible one.
Yeah.
Like the one is always levitating. This chain and these three is for the balance.
Mm-hmm.
So you get rid of the one and whole construction will fall apart. This is the idea of our designer, Lubomir Dobrovolny. This was made by me, and the big one, there is a mother. You put it somewhere on the window, and the light of the sun will be coming through these holes. You will be feeling like a Simba in the Lion King.
Wait, did you make this?
Yeah, this is mine. The innocent lamb. Just look at his eyes. He's very cool, very passionate, very innocent. But do not believe him.
It's a grenade.
Now, just twist his tail a little bit. And after this, you can open it. To put something in here.
Yeah. It's like a safe. You are crazy. Your workshop is crazy. Thank you for showing us around. Okay, so the last thing people are asking is like, how much is the workshop, and can I do it any day that I come to Prague?
It's better to be like 2 days before.
Oh, okay.
Minimum, because or 1 day. Just let us prepare the stuff to make the reservation. For the knife, it's 4,900 crowns, which give us something like a little bit less than 200 euros. Some necklace or something like a bottle opener, it will be 3,400. Or 500, sorry.
Oh, look at this guy. It's a hedgehog.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Do not
Do not touch.
yeah,
Do not sit on it.